Have you ever tried to draw your favorite character from an image and it just didn't turn out the way you wanted? It's like drawing this donut. Sure, it looks kind of right, but you're missing the most important part, the middle, which makes it a real donut. That's why having the right step-by-step lessons matter. I've taught nearly 5 million people how to draw, step by step, and everything I teach is designed to make you a better artist faster, no matter your age or experience. So in today's video, I'll show you an easy way to draw Thor from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin in the center of a page at the bottom edge of the brow. We're gonna leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're gonna bend this up and then out. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath. On the left side, let's step in, draw a half circle, coming around towards the bottom, and just pull that up on the inside. Come down towards the same height on the right, and then tuck that up underneath. Let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose from the left side. Curve this down, and then up. Step up and draw a short curve for the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to draw on the mustache. On the left side, step down, then it's out, and then down towards the end. Do the same thing on the right. Let's connect the ends with a curve. We're going to go up, across, and then bend that back down. Let's move down and draw a short curve for the lip, coming down and up, and then we'll tuck the beard in underneath. On the left side, step in, come down and up underneath the mustache on both sides. Now I'm going to draw the inside edge of the helmet. From the outside of the left eye, I'm going to step up, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the jaw, to right about there. Line this up on the right, coming all the way down towards the same height. Now from here, I'm going to bend this down and then in. Let's draw a straight angle line, touching the edge of the mustache, coming in towards the bottom. Let's connect these two lines with the beard, coming down and in towards the center point. Let's go back up to the top, step down and add a curve, coming down, across, and then up. Come down just up on top of the brow. We're going to bend this in, and then down just on top of the nose, go up, and then bend that out. Let's go back and curl the inside edge of the brow. Now along the side, we're going to leave a gap. Draw a straight line coming down on both sides. Connect the top and bottom with a curve going out and then back in. Along the bottom, draw a straight line coming down towards the jaw. Now I'm going to curve this down and then in towards this line. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw the top edge of the wing, going out and then up. Now let's go back to the top, step over, angle this up and then out. Now I want to separate the feathers of the wing. From the top, bend this down and then in towards the side. Let's add another layer. Stepping down, come down, and then in. Now I'm going to add 2 more layers. Let's go back to the center of the head. We're going to draw a straight line going up towards the top, and it'll comb the hair out towards the side. Let's start with the left. We're going to go up, round this out, and then come down towards the side. Let's add some texture along the bottom, starting in the center, going up, and then down towards the left and right side. Now, with the head complete, let's draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, then this out, and then down towards the hip. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's step up, draw another curve going across the top of the belt. Now I'm going to leave a gap on the inside and add 2 curves, one coming in from the left, and then back out. Do the same thing on the right. And then on either side, draw 2 small circles. Let's go to the side of the body, add another circle, And then underneath the beard, draw 2 lines coming down. Now underneath the hips, we're going to draw in the flaps. Let's start with the center one, starting with 2 lines, one on the left, one on the right, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's go back up to the top, angle this down, and then out. And this out, and then up towards the side, and then draw a straight angle line coming out from the hips. Let's add a trim along those side flaps. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, going down and up. Now going back to the left side, let's curve the foot, we're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, draw a straight line coming in. Let's go back up to the top of the foot, come in and then down. Let's go underneath the flaps. We're going to draw the outside of the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Now we want to separate the top of the boot with a curve. And we'll trace that out along the bottom to create a trim. I'm also going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So I'll take this curve and trace that across from toe to heel. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the hammer. We're going to start underneath the head, bend this down and out towards the wrist. And we're going to curl around the thumb. We're going to go up, bend the thumb coming down, round at the end, and then bend that back up. Let's add 3 fingers wrapped around the handle. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Add a second oval, going up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to leave a gap along the top of the hand and draw a square to the center of the hammer, going up in a slight angle. And then we'll add a bevel on the ends. From the corners, we're just going to bend these in. And we'll flatten off the ends. Now from the hammer, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming in towards the top of the hand, continue across the bottom, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's go back up to the wrist. We're going to draw the palm, coming around the fingers, and then out in behind the handle. And then from the bottom of the palm, bend the arm coming in towards the side of the body. From the inside of the arm, let's draw a trim, going up and then out. And then along the inside of the forearm, we're going to draw 2 curves. Let's line up the bottom of the arm over on the right side. We're going to bend this out and then down along the side. Add a small half circle for the thumb, and then close this off with a bracket. Now I'm going to curl 3 fingers across the bottom, starting from the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down, go out and then up with the second finger. Now the 3rd finger, we're just going to bend this all the way around the arm and then up underneath the head. Let's separate the wrist with a curve going up and then out. Go to the top of the arm, add another trim. Now just like we did on the left side, I'm going to add 2 more trims along the inside. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a drawing of Thor from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, give it a like and share with someone else who's also learning how to draw. You can find more step-by-step lessons in our Marvel Rivals playlist linked below, or explore other topics across this channel. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.